Welcome to FactCast 360, your 360-degree view of facts, trends, and global updates.
From the surface, the Pacific Ocean can appear peaceful, familiar, almost endless. But beneath these waves lies a landscape, far more extreme than anything visible above. Our journey begins by leaving the world of sunlight behind. At around 200 meters, sunlight begins to weaken. And this is only the beginning. Our destination lies almost 11 kilometers beneath the surface. Below us, the familiar blue ocean slowly begins to disappear. By 1,000 meters, sunlight has effectively vanished. And still, we have traveled only a fraction of the distance. Our destination lies in the western Pacific Ocean. Near the Mariana Islands, the seafloor suddenly drops into an immense trench. The Mariana Trench stretches for roughly 2,550 kilometers. But a map cannot fully reveal the scale of what lies below. To understand the trench, we must look beneath the ocean floor. Earth's outer shell is divided into gigantic tectonic plates that are constantly moving. Here, two vast sections of Earth's crust converge. The Pacific Plate is forced beneath part of the Philippine Sea Plate. Over immense spans of time, this process has created the trench above. But one region descends even farther than the surrounding trench. This is Challenger Deep, the deepest known part of the ocean. Its deepest measured areas lie approximately 10.9 kilometers below sea level. Imagine placing the tallest mountain on Earth inside it. Even Everest's summit would remain more than 2 kilometers below the ocean surface. But the greatest danger here is not the darkness. It is pressure. At Challenger Deep, pressure reaches roughly 1,100 times atmospheric pressure at sea level. A human crew survives only because of extraordinary engineering. Outside, there is no day or night, only permanent darkness. But when the lights return, the darkness reveals a surprise. This supposedly hostile environment is alive. Small amphipods survive pressures that would quickly overwhelm an unprotected human. and Hadal snailfish show how vertebrate life can adapt to incredible depths. Even the sediment itself contains communities of microscopic organisms.
Their biology has evolved to function under conditions completely alien to us.
Then, in January 1960, humans prepared to enter Challenger Deep themselves. Their vessel was the extraordinary bathyscaphe Trieste. Inside the tiny pressure sphere, every sound reminded them of the immense pressure outside. No human had ever reached Challenger Deep. Picard and Walsh were about to change that. Trieste descended for hours through an ocean that grew darker with every meter. Inside the tiny sphere, the two explorers were surrounded by immense pressure. Then, at last, the vessel reached the deepest ocean floor. For the first time, human eyes looked out across this hidden world. More than half a century passed before another human reached Challenger Deep, alone. In 2012, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron prepared for a solo descent. One person sat inside, a tiny pressure capsule, surrounded by kilometers of water. The vehicle dropped vertically toward the darkest point of its journey. Against Challenger Deep, even advanced technology looked incredibly small. But even this remote environment has not escaped human influence. Scientists have detected pollutants within organisms from deep ocean trenches. Remote does not always mean untouched. Every expedition sees only a tiny part of this enormous environment. Robotic landers now travel where human visits remain extraordinarily difficult. They collect water, sediment, and organisms from a world we are still learning to understand. What species remain hidden beyond the reach of our cameras? The Mariana Trench isn't just a depth record. For scientists, it is a natural laboratory. Its organisms reveal how life adapts to some of Earth's harshest conditions. Its geology reveals powerful forces that continue reshaping our planet. And extreme life here may help scientists think about habitable environments beyond Earth. After reaching the bottom, there is only one direction left to travel. Kilometers above, faint blue light finally begins to return. We look to distant worlds for mysteries, while Earth still hides extraordinary worlds of its own. If you had one chance to descend to Challenger Deep, would you take it?